Well, this is going to be another video for today here on Wednesday, the 22nd. And I got the umbrella up so I can see in this thing. And wife brought me lunch inside. And we ain't got quite as much as I thought. These rivets here, every one of them, that gummit, there's those 3/16, and they're everywhere. I won't flip the hinge up because then I'd have to get up. But I end up grinding all the heads off of those. Got the bed plywood support out just a while ago. And here's the old back panel. It's about 1 inch here thick foam pad. And going out the hatch door, that's going to come in handy. Because then I can come in the side and bleed my air tank, reach through the door. And we managed to save a lot of the whole complete 12-volt wiring system, which will actually now go in the CJ 5. We're carefully saving every bit of it. Even got a fuse block down here. So we'll reach down, just